Nyame adom so me we pa. Mama say fie 7 from free honum. Right from the interviewer a course so and the abechi ne dia old players no so eka.
Oh, I think that's Carlos Queiroz. For me, the press conference answers now, for me, were satisfactory enough. And because our Ghana experience all these years. Wakuchi, Real Madrid, assistant coach Alex Ferguson, Man U, national teams, Portugal, Iran, South Africa, Egypt. And so he has seen it all. And when him situation behind the answer was what the says and Joe Busa questioner. And especially also in the first days, so we stayed in here. He measured the answer that he was given. And he say, Asemono or show unkran say, Yebetimi IBB. But also to say Ejuma for which reason Tioka said this is the most challenging job while picking in his coaching career. Yenumbi Ebi and then dream because Ukochi Madrid said Galacticos near Tomau.
Yeah.
I mean, South Africa at the time, South Africa were doing well. I mean, Egypt, they had the good players.
And a number of time.
Iran too, he had the luxury of time to put together the team for the World Cups. But we should Black Stars here, Gabi. Minimum you be there dance say. Your performance then yet. I'm a young coach cry a 2 months to the World Cup tournament. And the situation na abano and your coach be a caliber and kebeji because he doesn't have the luxury of time. In fact, every coach no one should any place in your interpersonal interaction in communication. And I say, almost should nya nkomodi die bia should nsia ansa na tournament. Maybe apart from the few friendly matches that we play. But maybe anko a year ago and about series of friendly matches, ya international break to Obiana is strengthening the weakness, coupled with the fact that there are a lot of issues in the current Black Stars team. As we speak, the face of the national team is even injured, Kudus Mohammed. The most informed Ghanaian player, Mijusumi West carefully, Antoine Semenyo, he's been misfiring for the Black Stars. Also goes Man City, Bournemouth, but about Black Stars are on Nkoye. Jordan Ayew, he's going through a lot. Recently, about Nkoye, the team drop League 1, Ghana, and Kefan the 3rd division. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3rd division.
Thomas Partey, a lot of off-field issues, and he's probably not in the right frame of mind. Salisu, a key cog in Ghana's defensive setup. Honestly, work up, let me see. Right back, your injury concerns your honum. And to show when you now count the time in no, and a human abejana. It is fair to suggest we are the most challenging job. The American audience here. Because all these jobs are fans are picking up. Apart from Egypt, they now fire September. Anna, January, what did Egypt could do AFCON final? Olusu to Senegal. And between September and January, we count to be 5 months. And 4 months, September, October, November, December, January, 4 months. But Ghana did you buy 2 months and you World Cup. So I understand him when he says the most challenging job. Gabi, Carlos Queiroz, for me, is the most experienced manager you are pointing on.
Okay.
In terms of experience, clubs, national teams, nobody, not even from Grant, because Grant, now they didn't need a Chelsea stint before AFCON final 2015.
Yeah.
But Queiroz, Anya Shienim say, what about AFCON final other? Or the an African side are qualified for World Cup in the shape of South Africa. Even though he didn't coach South Africa in that World Cup tournament. And so, Ghana for fair experience to sort of calm the system after so to Ado Kodia. Then for me, Queiroz was the best person if Oyenu self available. Said the Oyenu self available so Babaye Jumano. And so, I agree 100% with his appointment. But you see, Gabi, Makase me must repeat him. The fact that we appointed Carlos Queiroz does not mean Ghana guarantees success at the World Cup tournament.
Okay.
Yes, because football and your coaches in Ghana, the footballers that deliver results together with coaching ideas and technical prowess. It will be sure Jumano could execute on the field of play. But here, current Black Stars team, American catch say there are a lot of issues. There are a whole lot of issues in the current Black Stars team. Our strikers are not scoring. And see, Queiroz was Jumaye. They cannot just say, Messi Ghana ni bia say, a World Cup ni yeko. Meaning say World Cup yeko ne die. Obiara ni daso. But let's measure our expectations because adwuma ne so ye kone ko ye my fine. Ba me tie I'm not expecting too much from this team. Because team ni gina brenje ana coach na na ba no. Only the luxury of time to prepare the team. Enti me yakɔ World Cup ne ekoya. I mean hallelujah. But me raise my expectation. Boni be catch you say if you expect too much, you'll be disappointed. But who expected too much this year? Fantastic. And against the backdrop, so the last time you call World Cup tournament, group stage in the film. Before the 2022 one in Qatar, you could pay more Brazil and and you check your Ghana in the last 16 years. And I say since 2010, you call World Cup tournament in qualify from the group stage. 2018, we didn't qualify. So team number question, ye. The message Ghana Nibia say, Queiroz our experience, our achievement. What I say, one akuku damfo, and I hear Jima Pen or coach akuku damfo, but his presence alone cannot guarantee success.
Me were two important questions and person me bisa.
No, me the linky local, you know, sir, and now
a link to now what the TSM. The two most important questions here say, yeah, Black Stars yes in discipline na high. From coach interview now, or you know. If you saw a demand to handle disciplinary records, our Black Stars.
I mean, Gabi, in all honesty, coach or coachy, why assistant to Alex Ferguson? TDU, coach or coachy Real Madrid, or coachy Mohamed Salah. I mean, let's be honest. Current Black Stars team, one and level drew Mohamed Salah. And who answered the mind? Fantastic answer. Or see players where he goes there normal, but he would try and use their egos to get the best out of them. Play away and discipline, but when you don't do it, away and discipline.
Okay.
But how do you get the best out of the player? That is the most important thing. Mario Balotelli. Woody football, yeah. But coaches were using him.
Bobo City.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You remember what he did? I think at the 2012 Euros tournament, European tournament or so. Fantastic performance. But in himself, Balotelli, oh, Subabia, about for baby complain, say the Subanya, it goes in the back clash. And I think Carlos Queiroz. Nipa obetimi and managing the egos in the Black Stars camp if indeed the players nibo in discipline issues are if this coach coach Mohamed Salah coach some of the big stars world football who paying one of the greatest managers of all time Jumada in the dressing room at the time they were top players Paul Scholes, Nemanja, Vidic, all these players were no more Juma paying. Who are you, Antoine Semenyo? Who are you, Kudus Mohammed? I want to be in control. So a bus always still discipline in the team there on the surface of the fact that we're experiencing all these players egos panel. I think a bit my players in Wajima. After Blaulo can we are not the last one account. Gabi, Makacha say when it comes to the argument, player by a local players argument, Yusuf Chief sir.
Yusuf Chief.
Exactly. When it comes to the argument of the local players quarter in the Black Stars team, Medica Kacho say it cannot make data sense. Data sense and they say Ghana League a bad day campo say a player bit to say Abetamwa Ubanyana statistics player bit say the Razak Simpson Ubanyana statistics and block shots clearance said abrof near no enti Emma open data that defend Ghana Premier League player heading but it's Gabi see a jitum say Ghana League need that form a developing league need to see a generated talk around the league need to step on it to harness something from it. Don't you think the Black Stars is the conduit to do that?
They said the old days, Athens, 204, right? You call Athens now, you man know the Quepa Pomo, you can't say Charles Taylor mo, now or more, Lucasino, or more, Echo, Satan, no, about Koya, and some about who be Obesi Park, and so make I commentator, no, or say Charles Taylor, who played for Asante Kodoko.
Gabi, you see, just recently, a Kata. See, about 23 months squad, a Koyana, Ubo than the Fia Banedia, or the team in about what has in the bear, Ubo the lad Bohema, or the team in about exactly, you're quite yeah, they which one lamp them the other one I cut. So it's strategically young to say you lead in that form. And Black Stars the generated talk if you say find yamu be akayasem. Near person man for you be a league in Swa. It's not the Black Stars. And you have a system say quota. Yeah, they a projecting in local players. And you bad oh. They be make say the local players quota no, it is not replacing meritocracy. No. I think it is rather projecting merit in the Ghana Premier League. Merit in the sense that football we are seeing nyina ye ne ye share omombobo abroche different from any ye share local players no even including coaches. I've had coaches in this scout or market me say Ghana Premier League player come but they all scout na heading because the data kwani nya bedding and obi a wo share obi a obobo England Spain obobo amana you know o share na or special biases bi mano because born obo parking so na fair but you had you know park no issues or you can player no data the statistics obi nya no with ease by head and bedding and for men can see a local place or moving ball butcher and blasters players on no. But I'm saying that you just to see a league near developing league. Near see a project in there. Then strategically we can have a quota and I wasn't can GFA policy impo. Gabi, minu tia ya football achi. Unti that say yes Brazil no more for foreign coaches.
I'm person omo
in fact the first foreign coach or coach Brazil na shatu why.
Me Calans Roti corner.
Exactly. Ancelotti Ancelotti the first foreign coach Brazilian national team. It was their policy. And yes, Brazil coaches were the best coaches across the globe.
Yeah.
But that's their policy to protect their technical brains. And say they pro. You have to be a Brazilian as a coach in national team. And I won't begrudge them.
The American also say Italy as Italy so football na say. And the national team coaches, even clubs are away Italian Siriano, or mobile betwa quota of players bia. As a first 11 between two clubs, no, as a winner, some local players in the
media say, Yempe quota. Football, your 4 department, goalkeeping, defense, midfield, attack. You see, yem best players was a department in our Ghana Premier League, the Moko World Cup. 4 players. World Cup ne konye players nya na bejina agokwa so akobobo. Enti your best goalkeeper Benjamin Asare onkobi. Your best defender Yen Salatin onkobi. Your best midfielder onkobi. And your best striker we Ghana ni onkobi. Hey pastor be encourage players to give their all. In any case, it's our financial benefits. Because other than lad ne afi ba na call Qatar 2022 no. FIFA clubs this can local clubs ni nyai. Na me tell complain say your league this can clubs ni nyeska. Ni yakobo World Cup tournament abrenim say players ne do mo kono nyom nyi ne benya bia bo ebinuma bo wata sa ba omo bo foreign leagues nti omo bia do mo bo. Why can't we drop them and give the local players the opportunity to play after our clubs to make money? What about that? It be say local players argument you know and yet data analysis. I know say data it cannot make data sense, but the FA as an association can have that policy. Say the market made Brazil example actually no. Say the policy they say all the 26 players na World Cup na move for local players. Now local players no department their best player ye the project a local league no. It's as simple as that. Okay,
Josia, Bramu fama me na fifi man fed so emna metwa so fama me. Another from Queiroz ne interview oni have here. Me de Zando esa say o baby but mama starting the same fan free so answer na do general thought on the interview no so atwa so. Now from the selection any style of play what's in there say on thinking about defense and attacking modalities in the other day do here